We can sit down comfortably cross-legged on the floor, or if we are unable to sit on the floor, we can sit on a chair with both feet apart. Then we will slowly raise our Kundalini, which is the primordial power inside us, by moving the right hand around the left and taking both hands up, and on the top of the head we tie one knot. Second time again we take both hands slowly in a very respectful manner, because we are raising our individual mother in the form of Kundalini onto our heads, and tie two knots. And third time we again take our hands, and this time we tie three knots. Then we give ourselves a divine protection, or a bandhan as we call it in Sahaja Yoga, by taking our right hand from the left side, top of our head to the right, and then bringing it back. Now, since there are 7 chakras, we complete this movement 7 times, or we give ourselves a bandhan 7 times. Sahaja Yoga is continuously evolving, and we all have been taught by Shri Mataji how to raise our Kundalini and take bandhan. And this method has also been seen changes as taught by Shri Mataji. So we can follow this method of raising Kundalini 3 times and giving ourselves a bandhan 7 times. Then we sit down with both our hands towards Shri Mataji's photograph. The first obstacle that we encounter during our meditation is our thoughts. So, to overcome this, we take the help of the elements. First is the earth element. So we put our right hand on Mother Earth, left hand towards Shri Mataji's photograph, and within our hearts we pray, Mother, kindly let all my past related thoughts dissolve into the earth element. This prayer has to come from the heart. It may be once or twice. And we wait for the coolness on the left palm to increase. Then we put our right hand back on the lap and bend our left hand towards the sky from the elbow. Now the second is the ether element. All the future related thoughts, all planning which goes on in our right channel causes heat on the body. So to remove this heat, we pray again to our Mother. Mother, kindly let all my right-sided imbalance dissolve into the ether element. Again, once the coolness on the right palm increases, we can bring our hand back and then raise our hands at the level of the heart and pray for balance. Mother, kindly establish me in balance in the present. Mother, kindly take me into meditation. We can then put both our hands on our lap, keep them open, and meditate for some time, till the time we can enjoy our meditation, feel this thoughtless awareness within us without looking at our watches. And when we finish our meditation, we again raise our Kundalini 3 times. We can watch again. First time, 1 knot. Second time, 2 knots. And third time, 3 knots. People of all ages meditate. It's a young boy who's meditating in front of us. Children also meditate. Older people. It helps everyone. And then we put ourselves in this divine protection or bandhan. Since there are 7 chakras inside our body, so we put this bandhan across 7 times. Now, for our evening meditation, there is another technique taught by Shri Mataji, which is very simple to follow and which is very effective. The oceans of the world, as we know, gather all the dirt and all the rubbish of the world within themselves. So what we are going to do is create a small ocean inside our homes by taking some water in a tub or a bucket. This water should be enough for our ankles to immerse in the tub. Take some salt. Rock salt would be good, but any salt which is available should be taken. And a fistful of salt can be put inside this water. So now this water and salt becomes the ocean. We also keep a mug of fresh water separately and a towel to wipe our feet with. We start the same way as we started our morning meditation by offering our respects or our pranams to Shri Mataji. Then we raise our Kundalini. As we have learnt it now, we can also do it together. After raising our Kundalini 3 times, we give ourselves a bandhan 7 times. Please do it along with our young brother so that we can learn it also. It is good to do this technique which we call foot soaking, that is soaking our feet in water in the evening. It can be after we finish our work in the evening or before sleeping, though it's better to avoid immediately after your meals. And it's according to the season, we can take lukewarm water or fresh tap water. Then we just give a bandhan to the water with the right hand 7 times, which is a clockwise movement of the right hand over this salt water. And we pray to this salt water or the ocean element which is in front of us to kindly take away all the obstacles in our chakras. Then we put both our feet in this water. This is especially effective for our lower chakras, first 3, Mooladhara, Swadhisthana and Nabhi. And of course, as these chakras will clear out, it will help to clear our other chakras as well. And then we sit in meditation. We can again clear our left and right channels as we did in our morning meditation. Since now we are sitting on a chair, so when we clear our left channel, the left palm stays towards Shri Mataji and the right palm just goes towards Mother Earth. And the second step is that we put our right hand towards Shri Mataji's photograph and left hand towards the sky. Finally, we put both our hands towards Shri Mataji at the level of the heart and pray for balance. And during this time, especially in foot soaking, it is good to keep your eyes open, especially if you feel sleepy. Please keep your eyes open and look towards the photograph of Shri Mataji. You can watch her bindi. It will help to clear thoughts and be peaceful. And we can, of course, rest our hands in the lap and sit for about 10 to 12 minutes during this foot soaking. When we are to get up, please take the mug of water which is lying next to you and wash your feet one by one and place them on the towel which you've already kept near you and wipe your feet. Now, with our right hand, we again give a bandhan to this water without touching it from the top 7 times, which is a clockwise movement of the hand. And then we take away this water and throw it in the WC or the toilet. It is not to be used anywhere else, not for our plants or any other work, because it contains all the heat of our body. After this, we can again bow down to Shri Mataji, raise our Kundalini and take bandhan as we did in the beginning. And then sit for another 5 minutes and watch how our vibrations have improved, which is the feeling of coolness on both our palms and top of our head. This is a gradual process, slow process, but sure. It takes place within us